want you around, around. I want you around. So hey guys, how's everyone doing? I'm at work. My little part-time gig. I need to do something. I got these earrings, y'all, from Saks. They got like, let me see, can you see them? They got my sign. I'm a Virgo. They got my what is it called? What's it called? My sign or whatever. But I'm getting ready to take these out because they kind of hurt in my ear. Hey guys, good afternoon. It's almost 1 o'clock. Y'all, I have not been posting like regular videos, just shorts, because I have not been feeling good. You can still tell in my voice. Besides that, we just moved. Never mind my hair. I don't want to put any, I just washed it and I don't want to put like any product in it because I'm getting ready to do my hair. So guys, we just moved. We just officially packed the last box the other day. I'm getting ready to go get my nails done, and we're gonna finish cleaning up the other apartment so we can turn in the key. We got into the 4th. So yeah, let's watch Giorgio. No sticker?
Nope.
Okay, so y'all, this is what I got. I just wanted something festival for Valentine's Day, as well as I need to go get me something for Black History Month. JCPenney's got some good stuff. I got this. We just went in, where we go, babe? TJ Maxx on a humbug, because I was looking for a mirror. My mirror broke, my makeup mirror. So I got that and this. What else did I get? Got this just for Valentine's Day, but I'm gonna actually keep this. I don't know why I like this. So every time it's empty, your gel on this soap. Every time it's empty, I'm gonna just fill this back up. I was also looking for, and I think I saw what I was looking for at Target. I should have got it. Something to just put all this in instead of that just sitting right there. Let me show you. I got one. This. Also, these were all on clearance this was on clearance for $3. I just sanitized it, washed it down. That's why it looks faded. I cannot wait till this starts to get nappy. I see what you're saying. I should have put some makeup on. See, this still isn't nappy. I can't wait to get nappy. I need some makeup on. I do not look good. Y'all, I tried to do a natural look and it did not go as planned. I don't think I like this. I probably should have flat ironed my roots. I tried my hardest to comb through this to make it look bigger and nappier. Yeah, if I had some makeup on, it probably wouldn't look so bad, y'all. I got my nails done. Don't really like them. I wanted like some old school French tip, but I think she made them too thin. But it is what it is. I didn't pay a lot. She was supposed to charge me because it's gel. She didn't, because I think she sensed that I didn't like it. So I'm in here looking like somebody's mama with this hair, y'all. Wait, why you let me leave the house like this? I look a mess.
Well, don't be blaming me for that. I told you.
Oh.
That's whichever you want and you put whatever you want.
My outfit is cute. I just need some makeup on, y'all. Silly.
To be honest with you, I would love having something to eat right
Where,
here.
babe?
The food court.
But I didn't see no Panera bread. We just came downstairs. You want to go back up? Because I didn't see no Panera bread.
Do you watch out? Do you know anything over there that you would like?
I didn't know because we didn't go up there.
That looks pretty good.
Hey guys, so we are getting ready to have an ice storm. So I am off work early, and yeah, because there's going to be an ice storm. I wish I could show you guys the ice outside. It's like it's raining, but as soon as it hit the ground, it's ice. It is. Let me turn on some light into ice. So I'm home. It's freezing outside. So then again, I'm off of work until Thursday. Today's Monday, so I could like catch up on some videos, make a few videos, and show you guys what I got for Christmas. I didn't get much, and most of what I got I wore, so yeah. Y'all, I'm making some tea. It's really cold outside, too.
Who is it? Who is it? Oh, hold on.
So I thought I'd make some tea.